Hello, Skylark. This is Phil Shinnebear, and what I have on my little screen here is your test. Now, this is your raw test. As you can see, and as you admit freely, it is extremely low in volume. I'm going to play it to see if you can hear it.
Hey Phil, thanks for doing this. This is me just reading the script again, unedited, and I have a mic headset on. My microphone volume is as loud as it can go, which in the recording you're going to notice it doesn't seem very loud at all.
Okay, on your screen, if you're using Audacity, you can see that the little microphone here thing is all the way to the top. I can't control mine because of various problems. No, not problems, because of the way I have it set up. Nevertheless, this is much too little. Right here, I started to record a little bit. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is more what it should look like. Yeah, this is more what it should look like. I'm sure you watched my video on audio magic on about eyeballing your Audacity track. It should be a lot higher. Problem is probably because you're not using a USB microphone. You're using, I don't know, you may be, but a USB microphone, and there's maybe something down here. When you get to your recording devices, which if you're using Windows, which will help you control levels and things like that. For example, this is set as 53. I didn't even know that. Okay. Cancel. 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 So there may be something built into your computer. Now, since I can't do much with this, watch what happens when we take this and basically, I know you can't see it, but I'm amplifying this by, let's say, 12, which is which is a lot, but for something this tiny. Now you notice how this just jumps up here. Just gets bigger and bigger.
Hey Phil, thanks for doing this. This is me just reading the script again, unedited, and I have a mic headset on. My microphone volume is as loud as it can go, which in the recording you're going to notice it.
Alright, now you'll notice that when I amplify, or you amplify, what gets amplified is everything, including your noise. So if we analyze this, I'm going to analyze plot spectrum, and I'm analyzing this little tiny bit of, quote, silence, which isn't silence at all. And you can see you must have put a notch filter in here, because 60 hertz is just, maybe you have a built-in notch filter in your microphone. I don't know, but something is cutting out this entire frequency from 20 up to 100 hertz. But here you can see you've got a tremendous amount of noise in there. Now suppose we would go to Effect, Noise Removal, Get Noise Profile, and then apply that noise. Now I'm putting 20. That's a heck of a lot. Now let's listen.
Hey Phil, thanks for doing this. This is me just reading the script again, unedited, and I have a mic headset on. My microphone volume is...
Now all that did was that took out the noise between your speaking ports. So the first thing is you've got to get that volume up. I don't know what to tell you, but I'm going to do some editing with you. We're going to go to, I think you did this, 19?
Master had all the barbed wire removed.
Yeah, I think this is yours. This is your track that you submitted for Melville, track 19. Well, first of all, I have to tell you that this is too much. You should only have like half a second here. So I'm going to cut that out. Okay, just now let's look at the noise in here. Now you say you ran noise reduction a lot, and you did. This, you can't see this. This is a frequency spectrum analysis here. It shows you that you have, well, some noise at 50 hertz, 49 hertz. That shouldn't be too bad though. listening to that, I don't hear a thing. So let's listen to your track.
Chapter 19.
Now, I'm going to talk to you a lot about this. You see this?
T, T, T.
If you can hear it, this is a plosive.
T, 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 T.
Now, let's listen to that without that plosive.
Chapter 19 of White.
Okay? Now, I did that by pressing the C button. You can listen to a track without certain parts to see what they'll sound like. Let's listen to it with.
Teen.
Now, I'm going to highlight that and listen.
Chapter 19 of White.
Okay, so you could basically delete that little section there. First, I'm going to press my Z, as in zebra key, to find my zero crossings, and you can watch my video on that. Then cut it out.
19 of White Dandy. A horse's story.
Now, these this is coming from you breathing directly into your mic. I think you said you have a headphone mic. Please move the microphone off to the side of your mouth. Very important, because
A companion book to Black Beauty.
you have quite a few.
This is a
of these
LibriVox
plosives
recording. All LibriVox
right here.
recordings are in the public domain.
They call it plosive. It's the breath of air that hits the microphone and causes these.
Recordings are in the public domain.
Now, I just cut that out and listened to it, but I'm
Public
not going to do it.
domain.
I would if this was my tape.
For more information, or to volunteer,
Here, hear that? Cut that out.
please visit.
Another plosive. The best thing, of course, is to eliminate them by moving the microphone to the side of your face. Don't speak directly into it. Okay.
Please visit. Please visit.
Yeah, that's a plosive.
Please visit.
I'm going to cut that out.
Please visit LibriVox.org.
So what I'm doing is
Recording by Anna Marie Nachimuli.
I mean, your voice is great, but these
Canada.
The first thing you do is when you amplify everything, and you don't want your noise to be amplified.
And speaking of Bobby.
Okay, that's all I'm gonna do right now. I know there's a lot. Basically, it has to do with increase your volume so that you don't have to amplify.
Scorn my advice.
And when you come to these pops.
Scorn my advice and entreaties.
Now that doesn't make sense.
Scorn my advice.
Device. You see, I'd have to redo that one.
Scorn my advice and entreaties.
What in the world? Scorn my device entreaty?
Scorn my advice and entreaties.
I would record that. Scorn my device entreaty. Do my noise reduction. You know, I do this so much, it's just ridiculous. Copy it, paste it right on top there. Delete this track.
My love.
Scorn my device entreaty.
Scorn my advice and
Oh wow. Scorn my device entreaty. That sounds terrible. Your voice.
Scorn my advice and
I don't know what's going on here. I must be using. Oh, I know what I'm doing. I'm accidentally using my my little camera microphone instead of my real microphone. Ooh. Okay, that's it. We could take it from here and try to get you to increase your volume and to move your mic to the side. Thanks a lot. Let's see if I can stop this. Come on. Stop.